Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, the next part is the exhaust and inlet push rods and the rockers and the rocker arms. They are different lengths, so I did mark them as separate. The exhaust one is longer. Exhaust is at the front. It's at top dead center on the compression stroke again. So the timing marks were there. So when I turned it in top dead center before, you could see a timing mark out here. So it was in the wrong spot. Do another 180 degrees, screwdriver in there, come to the top dead center, found it, and none of the markings are visible. So they should be there. It does also say the other way is to put both of these in, and when they're at the lowest spot together. Is another way of making sure. So I'll just make sure this is so I'm going to do the exhaust side first.
Kicking the starter, shaking off the chains. My silver beauty shining in the light. Royal Enfield Classic, everything feels right. Roll the throttle open, feel the engine rise. Cruising the tarmac under bright blue skies. Duck, 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 duck. Hear that exhaust roar. Thumping through the valleys, heading out for more. Sunday morning riding, no place else to be. Just the road ahead and my silver machine. Winding through the hills, banking in the turns. Cool morning air, no rubber to burn. Cruising to meadows, leaning in the shade.
It's in there.
Best damn decision that I ever made. Chrome in the sunlight, silver on the tank. Got a full day of freedom to put in the bank. Duck, duck,
It's in there.
hear that exhaust roar. Thumping through the valleys, heading out for more. Sunday morning riding, no place else to be. Just the road ahead and my silver
There's pins in there. Okay, and these are set at 6 Newton meters.
Pulling up the gravel by the bakery door. Smell of fresh coffee, engine shut down for sure. My mates are all waiting, bikes lined in a row.
And these are 5mm.
Helmets on the table, taking it slow.
And I'm going to use Loctite again. Don't know whether you need to, but
Hear that exhaust roar, thumping through the valleys, heading out for more. Sunday morning riding, no place else to be, just the road ahead and my silver machine.
let's use crisscross fashion.
Rags on the table and a grease-stained guide. Toolbox open, spanner spread wide. Digging deep under flickering light. Hunting down trouble in the dead of the night. Oil throw a spat 'em right out to the stump. Mind-blowing mystery on mechanical dump. Solid tang bit locked it down tight. Gears back in and she's nearly alright. Crank down the cases and check the bore. The silver class is gonna bump once more. Back in the frame where the motor belongs. Hanging the pipe for a thumping old songs. No longer losing the belly of the beast. The bolts are fixed, the nightmare's deceased.
And there's two dowels.
Motors back in,
There.
dropping bolts in the head. Clutches fitted.
Now I'll do the
New Orleans
no spare parts, that's another good sign.
panic and the big fright. Rockers are pumping.
Now I'll do the back the same.
Sweet as victory, this novice can get.
It's in.
Just feel the engine is steady. Keys in the lock, Royal Enfield's ready. Break down the casings and check the bore. The silver class is gonna thump once more. Back in the frame where the motor belongs. Hanging the pipes for a thumping old song. It's no longer losing the belly of the beast. The bolts are fixed, the nightmare's deceased. A twist on the throttle and she beats again. I can feel it already. It's my kind of zen. No rattles, no leaks, just a thumping roar. I think she's ready for the road once more.
And Royal wants to make them pop out.
Crank down the casings and check the bore. The silver class is gonna bump once more. Back in the frame where the motor belongs. Hanging the pipes for a thumping old songs. No longer losing the belly of the beast. The bolts are fixed, the nightmare
crisscross again. I'll do finger tight first.
Cardboard mats and a workshop guide. Toolbox on the bench, open dug wide. Digging deep under the fluoro glare, I found the loose bolts hiding in there. They fell out the oil thrower, finding them was a mind blower. Mystery solved, couldn't be plainer. A drop of the Loctite, twist of the wrist, the loose bullets tamed, it no longer exists. Oh, torque down the casings, grease on the floor. The silver classic's gonna kick once more. Back in the frame where the heavy metal belongs.
Okay, now we're about the same, so I'll just
To sing a thinking old song, no longer a ghost in the belly of the beast. The shed is quiet, the nightmare has ceased. Sliding the mounts, dropping bolts through
double
the
check these.
steel, connecting the cables, rebuilding the field. Oil is a pouring, golden and bright, a far cry from the panic of yesterday's night. Replacing the pushrods, timing is set. The best kind of medicine, the grease monkey.
Two downs.
Compression is tight, I swing out the pedal, bringing new life to the old school metal.
And no spare parts.
The silver classic's gonna kick once more. Back in the frame where the heavy metal belongs. Tagging the pipes to sing a thumping old song. No longer a ghost in the belly of the beast. The shed is quiet, the nightmare has ceased.
So the gasket set, which was supposed to be a full gasket set, doesn't have gasket for the seals around the top.
One solid kick, and the shed won't shake.
That's an old one.
Single bottle
Okay, it says make sure each gasket is fitted into its correct cover according to the size of its rounded section.
let the exhaust clear. The sweetest
You
damn
know,
music.
is that right? Fit the gasket with a deeper rounded section into the intake rocker cover. Make sure they're seated in the grooves. Okay, so there's, you can see a longer groove on this side. So that will go on this one. I don't really want to stay in there. Maybe easier ones, they seem to be quite good. Looks like they've had some a bit of sealant put in there with them. Well, they weren't leaking before, so I think I might give them a go. It does say you can reuse them, but downs are in. Okay, long one, short one, larger diameter, smaller diameter.